Dr. Dex here. Today we are installing a landing and a ramp for the current deck project we're on. We're trying to button things up. We're in our final week of construction and we're just kind of getting down to the last few punch list items that we need to get done so we can get on to our next project. If you like what you see today, don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit the bell icon if you want to be notified every time we're putting out fresh content. Let's see what's going on over here. Orange spacers, is that what you said? Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh. All right, so we have our floor, our landing done. It fits up real nice. It allows you ingress and egress. And now what we're doing is we're building a little ramp the full width of this brick so that it's just easily moving things in and out of here. Instead of trying to do stairs or something like that, we just felt a ramp would be better suited for this space. But we have a little bit of concrete in our way from one of the footings when we originally poured concrete for this deck. So we're going to chisel that away just a little bit more, and then we should be able to get this ramp screwed down to the deck, and then dig our footings, get them poured, get this frame installed, G-tape it, and then lay the ramp boards up. So that's what's next. It's gonna come towards you. Okay.
Better.
Yeah. Okay, we're not square is the problem.
Yeah.
And I think we're hitting this. So I think if we put a post here and we put a post right here,
And here you guys thought I only plugged decks. I get some dirty work in too. Does anybody still dig holes this way? Or do you guys use augers? Too fancy? That's how Washington State gets big.
I'm just wrapping the outsides of this ramp in some fascia board, because once we install it, we wouldn't be able to install this fascia after the fact because it's too deep into the ground. So this way we get some protective layers against the wood, between the wood and the gravel. It's just how we have to do this right now before we install the ramp. If we don't install fascia now, we're not going to get any on it at all. I was gonna put it on the other side.
Okay.
It should sneak right in there.
Okay.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw today, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon if you want to be notified every time we're putting out fresh content. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a great day.